Well, hello everyone, Thomas Lucas here. Today I'm doing a review on the new 2022 Knapford Station. So Knapford Station, you get Annie, Clarabelle, this Knapford cargo car, and you get the Knapford Station itself. You get 2 switches and 4 Thomas Wood adapters, which are spread out through my layout. It's about $90. I got it on discount for about $60, which looks really good. So let's go over the rollings. Let's go over the rolling stock you get. So here's Annie. Compared to the Thomas Wood, Annie, and Clarabelle, these models are better. This is Annie underneath. What we get is these little cartridges. Show the faces like passengers. You can also flip them around. Here's Clarabelle. Same thing with Clarabelle, but the weird thing is you only get 1 for each train. So it's like, so having 1 passengers and then the other side with no passengers. When you start to do it, it looks a little better. Excuse me, I didn't mean to burp. Second, here it is. Up here, now let's go over the cargo car. It has no name at the bottom, which I kind of find dumb. This has a cartridge, it has packages, and what is that? Mail? Yeah. So, let's go. So, yeah, that's what we get. So, one second, get. So, some of the stuff you get 2 switches. For some reason, these are really. This one is tight, this one is loose. These 2 switches are really nice. They are used in my series quite a bit. I mainly have 2, but I plan on getting a second Knapford station. Up here at Knapford, we get 2 of these bumpers or buffers. They are not really they're like technically like buffers. Well, what we can do is do this, and then this piece comes down. Which is pretty good. So let's go over some of the details. The canopy is smaller and it's screwed in, which is actually a really good design, because compared to all the other wooden railway models, not including wood, because that thing we don't talk about, all the canopies could come off, and I find a lot on eBay without the canopy, which is kind of like, ugh, I need the canopy. So I got this model because it was just easy to get and it looks really good. There is this spare wood. Hopefully Mattel will make another version, or like update it and paint it. But honestly, it doesn't bother me too much. The one thing that does bother me quite a bit is as you guys can see, there's no numbers for the platforms. So what I'm gonna have to probably come in and do is add some numbers to the platforms. Also over here we get this mat Sodor. We can also put it up here, and it goes down this slide mechanism, which I kind of feel like this is actually kind of cool. It's not the best design, but it's still cool. Over here we have an elevator of some sort. We put the cartridges in and we just go up and down. And then we get some engines to put in Knapford. There's Kenji. One second, guys. I'm grabbing some models. Here's Emily. I'll put her on the side as well. Here's Henry. And then we got Hero. So having engines in Knapford Station looks really awesome. It's a very nice look. The one thing I do have a complaint about this Knapford Station is this track in the back. It's kind of annoying, but again, I'm kind of used to it now. Also the Annie and Clarabelle models. What I hope they do is I hope they release versions of Annie and Clarabelle without these stupid holes and these stupid gaping holes. Cause these might, like, if these didn't have the holes in the windows, I honestly think these would sell like hotcakes. The only reason why I would use these is I would use these for close-up shots for the I use these up for close-up shots with the passengers in my series, like for Annie and Clarabelle. But again, I'm not Mattel. This I'm using in my series, which is a generic cargo car. My goal is to get a second Knapford Station, so I can make a so for my series I can make Knapford Station twice as long, so it literally comes out to like right here-ish. So yeah, this is the review of Knapford Station. All in all, it's a really good item. There are some complaints which are just minor, which like Annie and Clarabelle that are actually released without these holes. Maybe some more paint on Knapford. Put numbers on the track lines. And I believe, and then that should be good Knapford. And maybe remove this back part and extend the canopy. Those are my only complaints. The pros of this layout, this thing, it's big, it's massive, it's awesome. You get rolling stock. You get 9 inches of track, which Knapford is 9 inches. I believe these are 6. Yes. And these guys are 6 inches. So like the Knapford station is about 9 inches of track. These are 6, so yeah, this is really good. This is a good idea. So that's all I have to say for this item. I'm gonna say thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.